Morning students. We will continue the concept of median. We saw the median with the formula for continuous sequence. We will see some special question. Now I will change the language for continuous sequence. We have one question. You can see in example number 7. Example number 7 where it is a height is given in centimeter, and this is a number of girls given. And when you observe here, it is the language is changed. It is less than 140, less than 150, less than 160, less than 170, less than, sorry, it is 45, it is 50, it is 55, it is 60, and lastly less than 61, 65. And number of girls are 4, 11, 29, 40, 46 and 51. So one thing which is important here, can you see the language? This is actually continuous sequence, but it is not properly given. So first of all, we will change to this criteria in continuous sequence. You should know, you should understand about the meaning. Can you read the question? Question says, a survey regarding the height of 51 girls of class 10th of school was conducted and following data was obtained. So if you will read this data, height is given less than 140 centimeter. So I would speak that among the 51 student of class 10th, less than 140 centimeter height, we have a number of student, number of girls 4. So it's very simple sentence that if you will count according to data, if you can see that number of girls who has, those have height less than 140 centimeter, which are 4. But next sentence is very important. Less than 145 centimeter are 11. But one should understand that less than 145, less than 145, it means it contains also less than 140, because less than 145 meaning definitely these criteria 4 is also belonging in 11. Less than 145 meaning these are containing also the number of girls who has already height less than 140, because 140 is less than 145. So I want to speak that less than 140 is definitely 4. Can you see here? This is interval I'm making here. First is very simple sentence, less than 140, number of girls are 4. This is very simple. But what about 140 to 145? One should understand that 140 to 145 is meaning that we will only count those girls having height between 140 to 145. This is not 11, because less than 145 is completely 11. This less than 145 meaning this is containing also those elements which is lying here. So 11 is actually containing 4 also. We will subtract 4 from 11 for getting only particular height from 140 to 145. We will subtract these two. 11 minus 4 is 7. 7 girls are those girls having height 140 to 145. Wait, what about 11? 11 is the number of girls who has a height less than 145, which is also including that condition also, meaning 11 is also containing 4 girls. So we are actually particularly we want to find out the interval 140 to 145. This is having 7 girls. So this will be continued till end. Now this you got the trick that we have to subtract the following one. So if you want to find those girls having height 140 to 150, 145 to 150, definitely what we will do, we will subtract 29, 11 from the 29, because already we have seen here that the following one will already have attaining, or it is till less than 150 having 29, it is including all the previous one. So we will subtract it. So we will subtract to this one as we subtract to 4 from 11, we will subtract to 11 from 29, we will have a 18, and similar till end we will go. When 50 to 55, I'll go with 11. I'm subtracting, 155 to 160. I'm subtracting that one also, meaning 6. And lastly, 160 to 165, less than 165, this is after subtraction, I'll have a 5. So if you will count all the data, you will not get a special, but you will only get 51 because number of girls already we had a 51. So this is frequency, and don't get surprised, we want to find the median for that data. If you go with CF now, CF will be none else but CF is this. CF is this actually. Can you see? 4 and 7, 11, and then 29, and then this is a 40, and this is a 46, and this is a 51. What do you think? That this data is none else but it was a CF. Initially it was not actually in our idea, in our mind, but after doing this data, after creating this data, you got that this is none else but it is a CF. Okay, now this data is not important for us. Now data already we have created there, so now we will follow the same situation. What we will do, you know it, I'll use a formula. So median is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus c upon f into I. So what we will first of all we will find the value n by 2. So n by 2, so your n is none else but this is last number is your n, this is your n is 51 by 2, that will give you 25.5. 25.5, and what you see at 25.5 is lying under, after 11, under 29. So I'll say that it falls under 29 in CF. So this data is important one. So what do you think that median class will be? You remember yesterday's concept. Median class will be 145 to 150. L1 is equal to 145. L2 is equal to 150. And I is equal to the gap between these two is a 5. Shortly say what is a C? C is the number which is just actually this is called the cumulative frequency preceding the median class. This is a median class, it is a preceding median class, and this is none else but it is CF of the preceding median class, 11. So I'll write directly here 11, and F is what? F is the frequency of the median class. So this is frequency of the median class, it is called F. So everything we have got it now. M equal to, only I'll put a data, L1 equal to 145 plus n by 2 already got at 25.5 minus C is your 11 upon F is equal to 18 into I is a 10, and now rest is very formal working for you. This I'll subtract, I got 14.5 and into 10 upon 18, 145 plus these 12 multiply 145 by 18. So your answer is M equal to 145 plus, I'll divide it approximately this gonna be like this one, and finally I speak about 145 and 8. I don't wanna count it. I'll have a 153.08. It is approximate median we have got. So some mistake I made here. Can you see the answer of the book? This is 145 plus 72.5 upon 18. N by 2 minus C, 25 minus 11 I got wrong, I think. Okay, upon 18 to 5. I was 5, I counted here 10, sorry. It was 5. It was 5, no matter at all. Let me complete the answer. It was a calculation mistake. 5 5 is a 25, 2, 5 4 is a 22, 5 is a 5 to 7.5 upon 8. Then M equal to 145 plus this gonna be this is gonna be approximately only I'm writing here, and this both will be 149.02. This is the approximate median. I wrongly took here 10, but it was a 5. I was 5. So okay. Now this is the answer. How I got that it was wrong? Because what I got an answer which was not lying between the median class. Your answer must lie between the median class. That is the checking point. That is the checking point. Okay. So we have completed the question, but let me explain the language. Less than or more than will come also. So this is very important language, because this language will come in the next exercise. It gonna be very important concept. So please concentrate on that. Okay. Let me wrap this. We will discuss one more question of the example. This is gonna be also very important question. Look at. We have a example number 8. Where interval is fairly given. This is a 0 to 100, 100 to 200, 200 to 300, 300 to 400, 500 to 600, 600 to 700, 800 to 900, and 900 to 1000, and your frequency is directly given 25x, 1217, 20, y, 9, 74. And can you read the question? The median of the following data is 525. Great. Given that median is 525. And find the value of x if the total frequency is 100. Great thing. Total frequency is 100 we given. Total frequency is 100. So precious two things are given, and unknown quantity, definitely x and y we want to find out. So how we can start? So let me speak the thing that median is given. So definitely I'll go with median. Formula of median. So median, we know that. I'll write here. We know that. Look at. We know that median equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus c upon f into I. For that you need n by 2. So let me speak frankly that n by 2 median will definitely help you. Look at median is already given. So very importantly, I'm telling you that median is a 525. I taught you that median always lies in median class. Recently I taught you that median is none else but median is a number which always lies in median class. 525 lies in 500 to 600. Since median is, look at, I'm writing something. Since median is 525, so median class is none else but it is a 500 to 600, because this is lying between the interval 500 to 600. So that I can say that it is L1, it is L2, and I is equal to 100. Gap between these two. What L1 I got? C is definitely this. If this is a median class, this is F. This is F is equal to 20. Now what about C? So for that C you will go with what? Cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. What is cumulative frequency? This is a 2. This is 7. 7 and x. 7 plus x. 7 and 12. 19 plus x. 19 and then 36 plus x. These two will be 56 plus x. Now this is y. Student, 56 plus x plus y. Now these two 65 plus x plus y. Now these two 72 plus x plus y. Lastly these two will be 76 plus x plus y. And let me speak frankly again, student, this is the last number which is actually total of frequency when it is 100. So you don't surprise that the last number is none else but it comes the same is equal to the number of total element frequency, meaning 100 is this is 100 actually. So we can make an equation, lots of equation here, you don't worry about that. What is n by 2? So I speak simply that n is already this number and this is equal to 100. So if you go on n by 2 now, n by 2 is 100 by 2, it's a 50. So don't get confused that sometimes student take n equal to this one, it is also correct, but don't do it hard. This and this are always equal. So this is n by 2, so n by 2 meaning 100 by 2. Keep in mind. Now median is equal to, you got a median equal to 525, so I'll write a 525 here, is equal to L1 you got already 500 plus n by 2 is a 50 minus C is a number which is just preceding of this data. Try to understand about it. This is the C. Why? Because we know it, C is just the cumulative frequency preceding the median class. So it is a median class, it is a preceding median class, it is a C. So 36 plus x I will write here. Instead of that, 36 plus x I will write here upon f. F is your 20 into I was 100. So this is going to be so-called equation. I will solve this. I will transfer 500 here. 525 minus 500 is a 25 is equal to 50 minus 36 minus x. I'll open the bracket and 25 this is none else but it gonna be into 5. Hope you got. Now student, 25 equal to, these two will be 14 minus x into 5. I'll transfer to 5 and the 5 5s are, so 5 equal to 14 minus x, so x equal to, this gonna be 9. You have got one value, x equal to 9. Now we need a y. I have a very good trick. Since also I'll write, I just extend the answering. Here x equal to 9 you got, y is remaining. I tell you one thing, that these two are same. I already have taught you these two are same. Also x plus y plus 76 is none else but it is equal to 100. So this is one of the equation you got. X plus y is equal to 100 minus 76, 24. You got x equal to 9, put here y equal to 24 and y is equal to 24 minus 9, y equal to 15 you got. So this is a x and this is a y, you have obtained the answer. So this is a very good question and also a meaningful question, may come in exam, so do it from your side. Okay, now student, it is from my side 14.3 exercise. It's your job because in statistics questions are same kind of questions. Practice needs from your side, practice required from your side, because I have already told you examples. All the kind of examples I have already told you, so do it from your side. Okay, so now student, the next is we have a Augew frequency distribution, cumulative frequency distribution table we'll see. So in the next class we will see it. As you know, it's tomorrow's Diwali, so happy Diwali to all of you guys. Thank you.